Social activist Anna Hazare, a prominent figure in the Lokpal movement alongside Arvind Kejriwal in the early 2010s, recently expressed disappointment over Kejriwal's involvement in crafting excise policies. Hazare revealed that he had personally cautioned Kejriwal against such involvements, citing corruption allegations linked to the liquor policy and emphasizing the need to maintain focus on the noble cause rather than delving into policy matters. Despite Hazare's advice, Kejriwal proceeded with the policy, leading to his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in an excise policy-linked money laundering case. Hazare lamented the betrayal of trust and politicization of their cause, highlighting that Kejriwal's arrest was a consequence of his own actions driven by the pursuit of financial gain. Hazare underscored that he had Kejriwal refrained from taking steps towards the policy, there wouldn't have been grounds for his arrest. However, fact-checker Mohammed Zubair raised suspicion about a video shared by news agency ANI suggesting it was propaganda involving Anna Hazare. He pointed out a whispering voice at a specific moment in the video, indicating scripting of Hazare's speech. Some netizens supported Zubair's observation and analysis, while others questioned his intentions or credibility. Political commentator Sumant Raman further fueled the controversy by referring to Anna Hazare as scum on his official handle, echoing Zubair's stance. This incited a backlash from netizens who ridiculed Raman and speculated about the possible motives behind his anger, including his political affiliations with the Congress party. The current scenario sees Kejriwal facing legal proceedings, with the government expected to act accordingly as the legal process unfolds.